automated test of your digital phone line. Sorry for the interruption.
Charlie.
Victor.
Whiskey. Zero.
Edward.
X.
Lincoln.
Ida.
Alpha.
Frank.
Alpha.
You're awake, Mama.
Oh, morning, Angel. How did you sleep?
Not very well.
I'm sorry.
You ready? How do you feel?
A little stiff.
Go slowly, and I'll make some tea. Squeeze mine. Good.
Koffie, пожалуйста.
Hello. You're late. Are you in a rush?
Always, I'm a busy woman. Toi, toi, my
I
darling.
should be back at 10.
Okay.
Hello, Lenny.
Hello, my beauty.
Tonight you are the pride of Russia. May I present my niece, Dominika Yegorova and Dmitry Ustinov, a valued friend to the arts.
If there is ever anything I can do for you, don't hesitate to ask. May we have a photo?
Yes.
You hear anything?
As far as we know, he got away clean. They'll be in your apartment by now. Anything sensitive?
No, of course not.
Okay, you fly to DC in the morning. It'll be a stink, but we'll get you out. Doesn't look like anyone was actually killed, but Washington has questions.
So I gotta ask, what the fuck were you thinking?
I was protecting my ass, yeah.
How'd that work out?
He got away, didn't he?
Well, I guess you should hear it from me. Those guys in the park, word is they were vice cops, looking for Chechen dealers or some family guy getting a blowjob in the bushes. They weren't there for marble, they just got lucky. Chances are they would have questioned you and let you go. But you can bet your ass they're looking for him now.
They are expecting you, Deputy Director.
Thank you. Terrible news about your niece. I trust she's recovering.
She's in surgery now. But the prognosis for her leg is not good.
Sorry to hear that. Rico?
That depends. What's the occasion?
I think you'll want one.
There was an incident last night at Gorky Park. Undercover narcotics agents saw what they thought was a drug deal in process. When they moved in to question this man, the other man fired his weapon. Clear attempt at distraction. Now we know his name is Nate Nash. Officially a commercial counselor, but he's CIA. He left the country this morning on a diplomatic passport.
However, the man he was meeting doesn't panic, doesn't run. He simply walks away. My question is, who is he?
Take off your dress.
When I was in Moscow, I heard about a program. Young officers trained to seduce and manipulate. To use their bodies. To use everything. Call them sparrows. That's what she is.
Hey J-Lo fans! Did you know that whilst filming The Hunger Games Catching Fire, Jennifer Lawrence was left temporarily deaf in 1 year? Sorry, what was that you said? Were you a fan of Hunger Games franchise? Let me know below. Stay updated on all the latest trailer releases by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.